HTML open close. It is open close. Style open close. Body also open close. Inside the body. You will write call. You will tag. Li tag. PHREF. Call home. Has home. Okay, has home. Now has represent the ID. So you will create a section tag below. Give ID equal to home. ID equal to home. Next, after that, about us. Give ID equal to about. Create a section below. ID equal to about. You will write inside H1. Welcome home. H1. About us. Next, LI. Contact. Actors. Contact. Contact us. Next, call login. User login. Login. User login. Write one more. Li call register. Sign up. Register. Sign up. Register. Now let it be this menu. So this file is called single page application. Okay, once it get ready, you will come to know how it is. When you click on the link, it will not go to the different page. Functionality will happen within the same page. In one page only, multiple sections will be there. When you click on link, it will scroll up, down, up, down. Login ID we have not created. Okay. After contact we have login. We should have called login. User login. So hash represent the ID. So what we did, we created the link, and that link we are not linking to other page. That link we are linking in the current page only to a particular ID. Okay, so it will not go to other page. Within same page, up down will happen. Little okay. So write it, then we'll format the code. Write it, then we'll format the code once. Write it, let me know once you're done.
Sir, I want to know what is the difference between ID and class. It's both looking
We
same.
create through the hash, class we create through the dot. One difference.
Hello.
ID we create through the hash, class we create through the dot. First difference. Second difference, one ID you can use only one time. One class you can use many times. Same thing we had discussed yesterday also.
Means what is the purpose of giving ID and class multiple? You can use class everywhere instead of ID.
If you use ID, any problem?
No, sir. I just asked.
You are asking you can use any everywhere class. If I say if I use any ID, any problem? I have specified yesterday while discussing ID will be useful in JavaScript. So if you are writing the ID using same ID, you can communicate with the CSS. Using same ID, you can communicate with the JavaScript. Clear? If you are writing the class in JavaScript, your code length will become bigger. You write the code, your code will become okay. Leave JavaScript. Still, JavaScript is not in the picture. Okay. What we have in the picture? We have picture in the sense what we have called ID. and class. So in CSS, there is a two topic. One is called ID, another one is called a class. So I have teach you how to create the ID and how to create the class. Correct? Where to use, where not to use, your wish. You write only class only, no matter. Okay, but how to create the ID with the help of hash, how to create the class with the help of dot. Where to use the ID one time in one page, where to use the class multiple time in one page. Now your wish. If you want to use only one time, use class only, no problem. If I'll not cover the ID, then you will say you have not covered the ID. Correct? Okay, so hope
Yes.
okay, or something else I need to explain.
No, sir. Got it.
Number one, you are not attending the regular class, right? Yesterday you are there, day before yesterday.
Yes, sir. I have attended almost every day.
Yesterday and day before also.
Yes, sir. I was.
Okay. Right, hope you written. Now, how many ID we have created? 5 ID. For every ID, you write different background color. Go to the CSS, write the background color for all ID, different. Suppose for home, red color, for about green color, for contact sky blue color. Okay, background color should be different for all the ID. Try.
Sir, what the background color?
Background color. Hope written as home, background, sky blue, background sky blue. Next, about background pink. Next, about background was background light green color. Background as login yellow color. Sign up background orange color. Write this. Background is visible inside the page. Check now. The background should be different for all the blocks. Different. Okay, write it. So background color is added everywhere. Now let's add something else. All are the section tag, right? All are the section tag only, no? Write some CSS for section tag. Call padding 100 pixel, height 600 pixel, or increase that 650 pixel. X align center. X align center. Okay, added. Now all the sections tag will get affected. You will see something like this. Background will get changed everywhere. The background was changed already, height will get increased. Now write one CSS for H1 tag. Font size. Color as red color. And font size. Font size 90 px. Font size 90 px. Save now. Something like this. Write it quickly. Similar. Now, next we need to work on this menu part. Menu part. So in the beginning, you will write for body tag. For body tag, margin 0 px. For body tag, margin 0 px. Next, after this, write the CSS for UL tag. If padding 20 px, background black, and margin 0 px. Margin 0 px. Next, right below UL of li, UL of li, UL of li, UL of li, display colon inline and padding top same 20 pixel, left right 40 pixel, bottom 20 pixel. So what it will do, like what we have did in the previous example menu, same thing you are writing here. Under the menu we have li now, link tag. So UL is the parent, li is the child, a is the last child. For that, color will be white color and font size will be little bigger. Font size 22 pixel or 25 pixel. Color will be white color. And then text decoration, that remove underline we can do. Text decoration none. Color is 2 times. Okay. Remove once. Now it will create a navigation in black color. It will create a navigation in black color. Check now. Navigation is ready. Something like this. Let's follow the ULLI. These three things is the main thing for your navigation. UL part and LI part. A also we have to write ULLI A. Using A tag, the color will change. Working for you? Okay. Next, after this, come to the browser. Menu is ready. Check now. Okay. Next, after this, other people also should say yes, no. Write it. Once you complete, then let me know. Okay, now we'll come to the browser, and when you click on any of the link, like suppose I click on login, you will see menu navigation is gone. Login block came here. Again, we have to go up. If I click on register, then navigation gone and register came here, right? We'll go up again, click on about. So whichever the section you click, whichever the link you click, that ID will come in browser URL. See here. Whenever I click on about, you can see in browser URL what is showing? It's showing about, right? About. Now about section is enabled. If I go up and click on contact, so in browser URL is hash contact. So hash contact block will come on the top. But menu should not go. Menu should remain here only. The block will come up down will happen, but navigation should be at same place. So what we have to do, in current case, when you are scrolling up and down, what is happening? Your navigation is getting height, it's getting a scroll. Navigation should be fixed here, it should not go anywhere. So for that, we have to use a property called position property in UL tag. Use the property called position, right here called fixed. Position is a fixed. So position should not go anywhere. Position of the UL will be exact on same place. And when you add the position, now you see it. Width will not be 100%. Width will be little less. Okay, width will be equal to content. How much content you have, that much will be the width. According to your content, you will have the width now. According to content, you will have the width. According to content, you will have the width, something like this. But when we scroll up down, the menu remains same. Click here, right? Jansi, menu remains same. Menu is not going anywhere. Menu is there only. These blocks are getting changed. Now you can write the width property. Width 100%. Width 100%. So navigation will cover full width. Navigation will cover the full width. Navigation will cover the how much? Full width now. See once. Save it. How much? Full width. Now click on the link. You will see navigation is there only and the blocks are getting changed. It's feel like it's going to the next page, but it's not going to the next page. Within same page, whichever the block you click, that block is coming up. Similar or something else? Please check. Some more property we have to add. Then page will become more better. So we can add here now. We can add here one more property. Okay, so this two line I have added, hope you are writing. Before HTML body, you write the HTML tag, and for HTML, we write a property called scroll behavior, scroll hyphen behavior colon smooth. Scroll behavior smooth. Scroll hyphen behavior BIOR BEHAVIOR behavior. Scroll behavior as a smooth. Scroll behavior smooth. Now check once any changes happen. It will feel like it's going up and coming down. It will not change immediately. It will not change immediately. Once you click, it will feel like it's going up, coming down slowly. like this. When you click here, it will feel like it's coming, going, right? Something like this. This is called single page application using the CSS and scroll behavior as a smooth. Check now, write it. Next, after this, under each section, we have to add some content. Under each section, we have to add some content, somewhere image, somewhere text, somewhere different data, so that each smooth will look better. Navigation is fixed on the top. Similar way, we will create one more footer also. The footer will be fixed in the last. Okay, we'll create one more called footer. Footer will be fixed in the last, and header will be fixed on the top. So this is happening. Now come down to the end of the page in your template file and write another tag called footer. In footer, you can write something customer support, some number you can write. In footer, we have written this number. Now for footer, we'll write some CSS so that footer will be in the last. Footer will be in the last. Now let's come inside, write some CSS for footer. Okay, hope done. Come to the CSS part. Write the CSS for footer. In footer, you are writing background of the footer should be which color? Blue color. Color should be white color. Padding should be somewhere 30 pixel. Text align should be center. It should come in middle. Right, and after all, font size should be little bigger. 28 px nearly. And position should be fixed first from bottom. There should be 0 pixel gap, and after that position should be fixed. Position should be fixed. From bottom, there should be okay. Then check now. Footer will be fixed in the bottom. Footer will be fixed in the bottom. Ready footer, check now. Where is the footer? Oh, is here in the last. Width we have to increase. Add the width 100% so that it will cover the full width. Add the width 100% so it will cover the full width. Okay, width added how much? 100%. Check now. It will become full width. Next, when you click on any of the link, you will feel like the upper section is fixed, bottom section is fixed, and content is coming where? Content is scrolling in the middle. So these all are the example of which one? Position fixed as well as single page application. Check now, footer is ready. You can let me know if the footer is ready. Shall I share the file? Template 3. Okay, I sent you in the chat. You can use the template 3. Okay, now at least you taken the file from here, you will be together. Next, what we want in the right hand side. You can see scrolling is happening, navigation is fixed, footer is fixed, everything is fixed. In the maybe left side or maybe in the right side, wherever you want. Right side mostly, we can create a division. In the right side, we can create a division. Their height will be 200 pixel, width will be 200 pixel, and it will be fixed in the right side. If you scroll up or down, that will be fixed always. That will be fixed always using which property? Position property. Okay. So come again to the HTML and anywhere you can write that, no matter, write in the last a division ID equal to inquiry. ID equal to inquiry. For inquiry, we can write some CSS so that it will be fixed in the right hand side between. And it will not go up and it will not come down. It will be in the right side some. So come up, write the next CSS for inquiry. In inquiry, we can add something, but later. First, we'll assign the area. We'll assign the area after that. Come to the code. Go for the inquiry, hash inquiry. Where you want to keep? Left or right? Right. We want to keep in the right side. So we have to write here called right 0 px. Like from right side, don't give anything. Right side, if you leave 0 pixel, means you have to be in the right side. Then after that, position fixed. Be in the right side, like leave 0 pixel from right side. That meaning you don't leave any pixel in the right side, move yourself in the right and position as a fixed. Then keep height maybe 250, width 200, background white or any other color if you want, you can give. And check now where it is. Let us see once where it is coming. Not coming. Where is then? Right 0px, height this much, width this much, background something else again. Wait a minute. Hello. Okay, it's not coming. Right 0 pixel. Okay. Height, how much we are given? Position fixed, height, width, background is a white. So we can give something. Top 200 px. From top 200 px. Then it's appear. See, from top we are given 200 pixel. Now it is coming. We can increase little height to 300. And okay, so height is width 250 will be okay. Now see is visible. Top 200 px we are given. Now it's visible. Is here in the right side. You scroll up down, no problem. It will be always there only. So this is all related to position fixed. Okay, so coming next after this, in this block we can add some contact number in between, address, so that it will be visible properly. So what we will do, width here given 250, give 200 width, and height somewhere 250, and we'll apply some padding. Padding will apply somewhere 20 px, so that space will be inside. So that space will come inside. Now under the inquiry block, whichever the text you add, their font size should be okay, somewhere 20 pixel, and font style should be italic. 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 Let's come to the inquiry block now. Under the inquiry block, we can add some, not table, text, address. We can add just address. We can add display here the address, name, mobile address, something in HTML part. Now we need to go. We can write here H3 address. Below you will write in p tag maybe as 123. Floor. Outer ring road. Modathali, Bangalore. Next. Email also we can add. contact@ infocampus.co.in. Okay, ready? Check now how it's appear. Something like this. If you scroll up down, no problem. That block will be there only. So this becomes a single page application in less space, everything. Look similar or something else? Next, after this, you have to do some homework, then confidence will come. Okay. In that LMS application, you have account now? In that, you will go for the CSS assignment. In assignment tab, CSS assignment, and you can try set number 1, 2, 3. I'll guide you which set number we should do. Right? Anyone? Anything else? Or look similar? I'll send you this file also once. Template 3. In the LMS, info campus, LMS.